Namaste students, welcome to biology class. Today we will discuss the topic 11th standard biozoology kingdom Animalia, next phylum Arthropoda. The last class we will finish the phylum Annelida. Yes, so today we will discuss the topic phylum Arthropoda. Already you know Arthropoda is a study about the insect family. Yeah, correct. Arthros is the jointed and pods is the fit. This is the largest phylum of the kingdom Animalia. கிங்டம் அனிமலியாலேயே இதுதான் வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப பெரிய ஃபைலம். ஏன்னா நம்ம இந்த வேர்ல்டில் வந்து நிறைய பூச்சி இனம் இருக்குது. இன்செக்ட் ஃபேமிலி எக்கச்சக்கமான இன்செக்ட் ஃபேமிலி இருக்குது. அதை பற்றி ஃபுல்லாக படிக்கிறதே வந்துட்டு இட் இஸ் அ ஆர்த்தோபோடா. ஸோ திஸ் ஃபைலம் ஒன்லி கிங்டம் அனிமலியா இட் இஸ் அ லார்ஜஸ்ட் ஃபைலம் and include the largest class called the insecta. Insect family, so it is study about the classes the insecta. The total species range from the 2 to 10 millions. They were the bilateral symmetry. Symmetry means the division of the body. The bilateral symmetry is the division of the body is the 2. It is the right and left. So it is the right side also what are the organs present. Same left side also it is the same present. Then segmented is the division. Then trypoplastic. Trypoplastic means it is the germ layer is the 3 germ layer. Ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. And syncytial animals. It is the body fluid. With organ system grade of the body organization, there were jointed appendages. Why the jointed appendages? What is the role? Because the jointed appendages only it is used for the locomotion because of the motility, movement. Okay. So the feeding or the sensory function, the body is covered by the chitinous exoskeleton. Chitinous, it is a exoskeleton. Already you know it is a cockroach. காக்ரோச் நம்ம பார்த்தாலே தெரியும் அதோட மேலே வந்து எக்ஸோஸ்கெலிட்டன், அதோட ஸ்கெலிட்டன் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு மேலே தான் தெரியும், உள்ளே வந்து பாடிக்குள்ளே இருக்காது. ஸோ த சேம் ஒன்லி வாட் இஸ் த ரோல்? பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஆஃப் த பாடி and production and prevent the water loss. It is the periodically by the process is called the molting. So இதோட நேம் தான் வந்துட்டு நம்ம molting அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். The body consists of the head, thorax and abdomen. The body is the division of the head and thorax and abdomen. நம்ம பாடியை வந்து 3ஆக டிவைட் பண்ணுறோம். head part, thoracic part and abdomen part. With the body cavity called the hemocoel is present. Respiratory organ called the gills, book gills and book lungs and trachea. Normally it is a trachea, already you know it is a respiratory pipe. It is a book gills also, it is a fish the gills for the respiration. But this insect family is the gills, book gills and book lungs or trachea for the respiration. Then circulatory system is the open type. What is the reason? Already you know circulatory system mean it is study about the blood. So circulation is the open type of the circulation. What is the reason? Because it is the absence of the blood vessels, arteries, vein and capillaries. So this open type of the blood circulation. Already you know your human body is the closed type of the circulation. What is the reason? Because its presence of the blood vessels. The same only it is a insect family, it is absence of the blood vessels, so it is a open type of it is a blood circulation. Then sensory organ like antenna. Sensory is the way of feeling, it is a alert, it is present for the antenna. Eyes and eyes is present, it is a compound and the simple eyes. And cyst, it is an organ for the balance in equilibrium or present. Excretion. Excretion means it is a elimination. So how will you eliminate to the insect? Because of the Malpighian tubules and the green gland and coxal gland. So excretion takes place for the Malpighian tubules. One special type of the part, it is the excretion. Green gland and coxal gland is present for the excretion. They were mostly dioecious or the oviparous. Dioecious means already you know, yeah correct. Male and female is the separate body. And oviparous means it is a mostly it is a egg laying. Then fertilization is usually the internal. Fertilization, yeah, correct. Fertilization means the fusion of the male and female body. So fertilization is present. How will you fertilization? Because of the internal, inside the body. Okay. Then development may be direct or the indirect. Development, it is the development of the insect is the direct or the indirect. Direct mean it is a produce the egg is developed to the larva, and it is a pupa and is a insect. For the example of the butterfly, you know, the complete metamorphosis, so indirect development. And some of the insect is the development is the directly. Okay. Then life history include many larval stage followed by the metamorphosis. இதோட லைஃப் ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் நம்ம நிறையா it is a larval stage வந்து நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறோம். it is a metamorphosis is the complete it is a life cycle. Okay. Then so you see some of the example is present. It is a, what are the example? It is a limulus, it is a king crop, the living cell, and Palanomnius, it is a scorpion, Eupagarus, it is a hermit crabs, and Apix, it is a honeybee, and Musa parasitica, Musa is the housefly. Then vector, Anopheles, Anopheles already you know it is a mosquito, so Culex and Aedes, it is a mosquito. Then economically important insect also is present. What are the economic important insect? Some of the example is present. Apix, Apix is a, it is a honeybee, and Baphox, it's a silkworm, and Lassifair and lac insect, and living cell limulus, it's king crops, and Carius pest, it is a Locusta, it is a locust. So this insect also it is a economic, it is a importance. Okay. We will see the sum of the insect, it is a diagram is present. You see first one, what are the arthropoda family? Okay, all of you see this identify, that is what is the this one is the prawn. Yes, it is the prawn already you know. Yes, this scorpion. Okay. Then next one, it is the hermit crabs. Okay. Then it is the spider already you know. Yes, yes. Okay. Then next one is the locust, it is the already you know, this is one of the, it is the grasshopper family. And limulus, limulus is the, it is the same like it is the beetles. Okay. This example of the phylum Arthropoda. Okay. The next one, phylum Mollusca. Mollusca already you know. What are the general characteristic features of the mollusca? Yeah, correct. The mollusca also is the same, it is compared to the arthropoda, but is the arthropoda is the first largest phylum in the animal kingdom. The mollusca is the second largest phylum in the animal kingdom. Okay. The mollusca, it is a general characteristic features is the molluscan, it is a mostly for the soft body, it is a organism, and trypoplastic, and is a bilateral symmetry. More or less it is a same to the, it is a arthropoda. Okay, we will see the phylum Mollusca. Molluscans, it is a soft bodies. This is the second largest phylum. Yes, this is the second largest phylum in the animal kingdom. Molluscans are the terrestrial or the aquatic. It is a marine or freshwater. Okay. There is organ system level of the body organization. The bilateral symmetry. What is the bilateral symmetry? Yeah, correct. The division of the body is the two division. Then trypoplastic. Trypoplastic means ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Yeah, correct. Then coelomic animal. Coelomate is the body fluid is present. Then body is covered by the calcareous shell. What is the reason? Because of the production and unsegmented with the head. Unsegmented means no division. It is a full of the uniform section. So it is a without the segmentation. Then it is a head and muscular foot, and is a visceral hip and visceral mass. It is a division of the body. Then soft layer of the skin forms the mantle over the visceral hem. The space between the visceral mass and the mantle is called the mantle cavity. The number of the fur are like gills. The feather like gills is present. This is the one special character. It is a feather like it is a gills is present. This gills name is the tinidia or present, which are the respiratory in function. The digestive system is the complete and mouth contained rasping organ called the radula. So this digestive system is the fully, it is the complete, it is the digestive system. The transverse rows of the chitinous teeth for the feeding. It is the radula is absent, it is the bivalence. Bi is the 2. The sense organ is the tentacles. What is that sense organ? It is the tentacles. Tentacles, it is the tentacles, eyes and asperidium. It is the test the purity of the water present in the bivalve and the gastropods. Excretory organ. What is mean by excretion? Yeah, correct. Excretory means it is an elimination. So what is the molluscan elimination part? Elimination is the special part is present organ. It is a nephridia. Already you know it is a nephridia is the special excretory organ. Then open type of the circulatory system. It is a, this also is a open type of the circulatory system because of the blood vessels is absent, but it is except for the cephalopods such as squids and cuttlefish and the octopus is the absent. Then blood contain the hemocyanin. Hemocyanin pigment is present. Copper containing the respiratory pigment. Pigment mean it is the color. Okay. Then it is the dioecious and the oviparous. Dioecious means male and female body is the separate. Then development is the indirect. Indirect means it is so not, it is a direct development, the indirect development. So larval stage is the present. So what is the name of the larva? It is a veliger larva. It is a modified to the tocopherol larva. So example of the molluscan phyla. Phyla is the apple snail. நம்ம நார்மலாக வந்துட்டு நத்தை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான். It is a phyla, apple snail. And lampitinus, it is a shell. And pintenda, it is a whole oyster. And Scipia, it is a cuttlefish. And Laglo, it is a swite. And octopus is the devil fish. So this is the some example of the phylum. It is a mollusca. Okay. Okay. We will see the last phylum. Phylum Echinodermata. What is the phylum Echinodermata special character? Okay, first your molluscan, it is you see that some of the picture also. This is the phyla, it is a phyla. It is already you know it is a small, it is a snail. Then octopus, then it is a ant. It is some of the your like insect only. Then oysters, already you know. Yes, okay. So now we will see Echinodermata. The last phylum Echinodermata. Echinos. Echinos means spiny. What is the spiny? முள்ளா இருக்கிற அதோட body. Then dermos, it is the skin. So the Echinodermata family mostly it is the spine body. That is means முள்ளா இருக்கிற மாதிரி அதோட பாடியில் இருக்கும். Okay. Okay. All echinoderm are marine animals because all the Echinodermata is the water animals. The adult are radially symmetrical, but larva stage is the bilateral symmetrical. This is one of the special features of the Echinodermata. அடல்ட்டு பெருசாக இருக்கும்போது அதோட பாடி வந்து நம்ம ரேடியல் சிமெண்ட்ரி டைப்பில் நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். பட் லார்வல் ஸ்டேஜில் இருக்கும்போது ஒன்லி ஃபார் த டிவிஷன் ஆஃப் த பாடி இஸ் த பைலேட்டரல் சிமெண்ட்ரி. ஓகே, திஸ் அனிமல்ஸ் ஹாவ் த மீசோடெர்மல் எக்ஸோஸ்கெலிட்டன். Mesodermal endoskeleton of the calcareous ossicles, and hence the name is the Echinodermata. Mesodermal endoskeleton. Endo is the inner. Okay. Then spiny skin of the animal. They were the excessively marine with the organ system level of organization. The most distinctive features of the Echinodermata is the presence of the water vascular system and ambularious system of the tube feet and podia. Already you know the water vascular system. Vascular system means it is the study about the blood. So echinodermata is the water vascular system. What is the meaning? This the vascular is the blood is the like the water, and is the ambulatory system of the tube feet. Tube feet is the it is doing the many function because of the help of the locomotion, capture and transport of the food, and is the respiration. This fully it is the function is the only for the tube feet. So already you know echinodermata, how many tube feet is present? 100 tube feet is present. In starfish already you know you find out the tube feet, it is a counting, it is a 100 tube feet is present for the starfish. The digestive system is a complete with the mouth on the ventral side and the anus on the dorsal side. So digestive system is the complete, both mouth and ventral side, and anus on the dorsal side. Anus, what is the anus? Anus is the elimination. Then excretory organ. Excretory organ is the elimination part is the absent. The nervous system and sensory organ are poorly developed. So it is a not well developed nerves and the sensory organ. The circulatory system, what is mean by? It is a circulatory system. The circulatory system is the open type without heart and the blood vessels. Already you know circulation, it is the study about the blood. It is a open type mean it is the blood vessels is the absent. So the same only echinodermata, it is a circulatory system, it is a open type because of the blood vessels is absent and without heart and the blood vessels. So it is a heart is a absent. Then sexes are separate because of the male and female is the separate body. Then reproduction is sexual and is the fertilization is the external. Reproduction is the sexual. Sexual reproduction mean, what is mean by sexual reproduction? Fusion of the male and female gamete. And fertilization. Fertilization means the sexual reproduction mean it is the male and female. It is a both sex also is present. And fertilization is the fusion of the male and female gamete. It is the external. External mean it is the outside of the body because this water animal, so it is the fertilization is the outside. Then development is the indirect and the free swimming. Development is the indirect. So what happened in the given situation? It is the larval stage is the present. And the free swimming bilaterally symmetrical larval form. Bilateral symmetry means, yeah, correct. The division of the body is the two division. Okay. Some echinodermata, it is a exhibit the autotomy with the remarkable power of the regeneration. Yeah, correct only. Already you know auto means self. It is a self, it is a remarkable power of the regeneration. So it is a regeneration of the body parts. Okay. Okay, so you see some of the example. Asterius, it is the starfish or the sea star. And Echinus, it is the sea urchin. And Antinon, it is a sea lily. And Cucumaria, it is a sea cucumber. And Opicua, it is the brittle star. This is the sum of the echinodermata. Okay. So you see echinodermata, it is a sum of the picture. The first one, it is the starfish. Already you saw the starfish. How many tube feet is present? Yeah, correct. 100 tube feet is present for the starfish. Okay, the second one is the brittle star. You see the same for the starfish structure, but some of the it is a body is a different only. Then sea cucumber. Why this name is the cucumber? Because this organism is the cucumber in shape, so it is the name is the cucumber. Then sea urchin. This is the very beautiful. It is organism only, very colorful also. So it is a sea urchin. So this is the example of the echinodermata. This some of the example of the echinodermata. Okay. Phylum you finish. So next phylum you're starting for the hemichordata. What is the next phylum? Hemichordata. chordata. Okay. Hemi means it is the half. Then chord is the string. So hemichordata where earlier it is treated as the subphylum of the chordata. The subphylum is chordata. What is the reason mean is a prochordata. Chordata develop ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி கொஞ்சம் கேரக்டர் மட்டும் டெவலப் ஆகியிருக்கிற அந்த அந்த ஆர்கன் பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறது தான் இட் இஸ் அ ஃபைலம் ஹெமிகார்டேட்டா. There were the now record to the independent phylum of the invertebrata. It is close to the echinodermata. This is the very close character to the echinodermata. நம்ம பார்த்த அந்த லாஸ்ட் ஃபைலம் எக்கினோடர்மேட்டா கூட இது வந்து ரொம்ப க்ளோஸான ஒரு கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இருக்கும். The animals this group is the possess the character of the invertebrate as well as the chordates. ஸோ இதோட கேரக்டர் இன்வெர்டிபிரேட்டுக்கும் ஒத்து போகும், தென் கார்டேட் கேரக்டருக்கும் ஒத்து போகும். ஸோ இதுக்கு வந்துட்டு கார்டேட்டாவுக்கும் நம்ம எடுத்துக்க முடியாது, இன்வெர்டிபிரேட்டாவுக்கும் எடுத்துக்க முடியாது. ஸோ இதுக்கு ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் காமனாக இருக்கிற கேரக்டரில் சென்டர் பார்ட்டில் இருக்குது. What is the phylum? Phylum Hemichordata. Okay, you see the phylum. The phylum consists of, it is a small group of the worm like soft marine animals. Mostly is the tuberculous and commonly called the cane worms or the tongue worm. They were bilateral symmetry. The division of the body is the two division and trypoplastic, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Then coelomate animals, body fluid is present, organ system level of organization. The body is the cylindrical and is the divided into three regions. Already you know the body is cylindrical and divided into the three regions. What are the regions? The anterior, it is the propulse and the short collar and long trunk. The most hemichordate are the ciliatory, it is the feeders. The circulatory system is the simple and open. Already you know the circulatory system open means what is the meaning? It is a without, it is the blood vessel. Yeah, correct. So blood vessel is the absent, so the circulation is the open type of the circulation. With the dorsal, it is the heart. The respiration is the parietal gills opening into the pharynx. Respiration, how to the respiration? எது மூலமா respiration பண்ணது? It is a gills மூலமா. The gills is the split opening into the pharynx. Excretion. What is the excretion? Elimination. Okay. The excretion is the single propulse gland. இதுக்கு excretion பண்ணுறதுக்கு simple propulse gland or the glomerulus gland. Glomerulus, it is a normal, it is a common, it is a propulse, it is a gland. The nerve system is the primitive type of the nerves and sexes are the separate. Male and female is the separate body. Then sexual mode of reproduction. So male and female is the separate. So is the both parent also is present. Fertilization is the external. Fertilization mean, yeah, correct. The fusion of the male gamete and female gamete is the external. External mean outside of the body. Okay. Then development is the indirect. Indirect development because of the this not it is able to, it is a direct development, indirect development. So it is a larval stage is the present. The free swimming, it is a Tunaria, it is a larva. What is the larva? It is a Tunaria larval stage. Okay, this one only, it is a phylum, it is a Hemichordata. You see the sum of the example of the Hemichordata, it is a Balanoglossus. Balanoglossus is the common example for this Hemichordata, and Saccoglossus and Phycoderma. It is a Indian hemichordates found in the Kurusadai Iceland in this Tamil Nadu. Okay, you see some of the Balanoglossus diagram is present. All of you see this one only, it is a Balanoglossus. Yes. Okay, how will is present for this Balanoglossus? It is the first part, it is the mouth, it is a profilus, it is a glomerulus part. Okay, so you see the full structure is present for this one. It is a first part. It is a bronchus, is the mouth, and is a colarate and the colar part. The next one is the branchial region, gills force and dorsally curved genital wings and mid-dorsal ranges and hepatic fascia and hepatic region is present. And posthepatic region and the anus. Anus is the elimination for the part. So this one only it is a phylum Hemichordata. Okay. So up to this one you finish for the invertebrate part. It is a phylum Porifera to phylum Echinodermata, and next last phylum is the phylum Hemichordata. It is the character of the chordate and invertebrata and chordata character also. Now we will see the phylum Chordata. So Chordata you start. The Chordata is already it is a general characteristic features of Chordata is the well developed brain. It compared to it is a biggest size in the animals, and is a well developed nerve system. It is a well developed sense organ and closed type of the blood circulation. So this group is the mostly it is a familiar group of the animals for the chordate because it's present for the human also. Okay, we will see the first phylum Chordata. What is the general characteristic features? We will see the Chordata is the largest phylum with the most familiar group of the animals. Okay, Chordata is the largest phylum with the most familiar group of animals such as fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Fish already it is amphibians. What are the organisms live in water and land? This organism is the amphibians organism. Then reptiles, it is the bend shape of the organism, snake. Then some of the organism. Then birds is the aves. It is study about the aves family. Then mammals already it is a dog, cat, elephant, monkey. Up to the man also it is a study about the mammals. So less known from this the like said it is a Amphioxus, and Tunicodes it is a Ascidian. Amphioxus to Ascidian also. The chordate possesses three fundamental distinct features, some stages of this life cycle. So chordate is the some characteristic features, it is the stages of the life cycle is present. So we will see the first one. Presence of elongated rod-like notochord below the nerve cord, above the alimentary canal. So presence of the rod-like notochord also present, below the nerve cord also present, above the alimentary canal. The primitive internal skeleton. Skeleton already it is present for the bone. So skeletal system is internal. Internal means inside the body. It is persistent throughout the life and is a lamprey. It is adult vertebrate. It is a partially complete replaced by the backbone and the vertebral column. So backbone and vertebral column is the completely replaced. Then it is a dorsal halo. It is a tubular fluid filled nerve cord above the notochord and below the dorsal body wall. Dorsal halotubular fluid. So fluid it is filled with the nerve cord also and notochord and dorsal body wall also. It is the coordinate the body function because all the organ is one to interconnection. So body la irukra ella organume coordinate பண்ணி தான் body function பண்ணுது. The higher chordates anterior end of the nerve cord get enlarged to form the brain and posterior part become the spinal cord. Spinal cord your backbone. It protects the inside the vertebral column. So what is the role of the skeleton? The skeleton is the framework of the body. So skeleton இல்லைன்னா நம்ம பாடி எப்படி இருக்குன்னா ஒரு ஜெல்லி லைக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த ஸ்கெலிட்டன் இருக்கிறனால தான் நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு ஃப்ரேம் ஒர்க்கை நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கிது. இந்த ஃப்ரேம் ஒர்க்கை அசோசியேட் பண்ணுறது எதுனா இட் இஸ் அ மசில்ஸ். ஸோ skeletal system also it is very important and muscular system also it is a very important. Okay, next one. The presence of the paranasal gland, it is not in all chordate at some stages of this life cycle. In the case of the gill slide of that perforate the walls of the pharynx and appears during the development of the every chordates. The aquatic forms and pharyngeal gland, it is a vascular and lamellar form the gills for respiration. Respiration is the this part only it is in the respiration. Then terrestrial chordate trace for the non-functional gland, the terrestrial chordate and trace for the non-functional gills gland and appear during the embryonic developmental stage and disappear later. The above the some of the salient features of the chordates, it is a bilateral symmetrical. What is meant by bilateral symmetrical? Yeah, correct. Bilateral symmetrical mean the division of the body is the two division. Then trypoplastic. Trypoplastic is the germ layer is the ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Then coelomate with the organ system of level of organization. Coelomate is the body fluid is the present. This is the post-anal tail closed circulatory system. What is mean by closed circulatory system? Closed circulatory system mean the blood vessels is the present. What are the blood vessels? Yeah, correct. Arteries, veins and capillaries. The three also it is a blood vessels. So the blood vessels is present. So closed circulatory system. Then ventral myogenic heart except in the amphioxus. So amphioxus, the ventral myogenic heart, but amphioxus it is a except the amphioxus. Okay, this one only it is a general characteristic features of the phylum. It is a chordata. What is the general characteristic features of the phylum? The chordata. Okay. Okay. Okay, we will see next class. Thank you, students.